Hello guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I'd like to share another great winter-friendly makeover, and this time we'll be transforming this regular bathroom into something more of my style and stunning. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get into it. This is the space we'll be working with, and the first thing I did was remove all the cabinet doors, and I'll go ahead and get them ready to be covered. I'll be using this black contact paper, but before I do so, I'll be using some poster board to put in the deep groove to make it a lot easier for the contact paper to nicely sit on the cabinet door. If you're here for the first time, it is so good to have you here. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. I then repeated that same step for all the remaining doors. I'll be using this nice contact paper to cover the space above the tub, and next I'll be using this black tin tape to cover all the spaces between the tiles. I believe this to make a really nice effect. It's like in between each tiles is painted black. How beautiful is this, guys? I'm loving the transformation already. Next, I'll go ahead and upcycle this board that I had for a while into a shelving unit. I'll go ahead and spray paint it black, and once it's done drying, I'll go ahead and start marking my prints for where my shelving will go. I make sure to leave about 4 inches in between each of the bracket spaces, and the brackets I'll be using, I got them from IKEA, as well as the shelves. I make sure that the brackets were nicely screwed onto the board before I add my shelves. I used some heavy duty comic strip to mount the board to the wall. Then for this empty space, I intend to do something really special, so I started by measuring the space, and later on I'll be using poster board that I put together using some tape and make it into a really large piece that measure out to the space that I'll need. I have seen this trick from YouTube Essentials, so I went and got some shower curtain from Walmart, and I'll go ahead and cut it to size of the poster board, and I'll be using double-sided tape to put it together. I then mounted it on the wall using some common strips. I added this cute storage that I cut from Five and Below, and I thought it would be really nice with my accent wall. Next, I'll go ahead and use those beautiful drawers that I got from Dollar Tree. I'll go ahead and spray paint the top gold, and later on add some crystal knobs to create some really beautiful storage. I also have this nice set of bathroom accessories. I'll go ahead and get them ready for spray paint. And as everything else is drying, I'll go ahead and make some wall art using those nice frames that I got from a while back. I'll go ahead and use 100% acetone to remove the wording from them. The frame were all cleaned up, I went on and print some wording, and I'll go ahead and use some Sharpie to trace them on the glass. I found this technique to be really easy and simple to do. If you do not have any special machine to print your letter for you, you can go ahead and just trace them out on glass and just add your touches to them. I then went on into some cameo pink acrylic paint and paint the back of the frame. I repeated that same step for the remaining 2 frames, and I also changed the colors of the paint. This is such a beautiful and easy wall decor. Now let's go ahead and put everything together. I really love how this shelving unit turned out. It is so beautiful. I'm happy that I was able to showcase all my items in such a beautiful way. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the before and after. This makeover turned out so beautiful. I am so excited, and the fact that I was able to display my daily items in my bathroom in such an aesthetic way gave me so much chills. I really love how this turned out, and I am happy that once again I was able to share with you some tips and tricks on how to bring your own style into your apartment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this project. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also share with your families and friends. If you have not, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.